Hello everyone, this is the part 2 of making a talking tom-like app in MIT App Inventor. In the last part, we had made the app talk back like the talking tom app does. In this part, we will add some additional features to the app like dancing, eating and relaxing. If you haven't watched the part 1, then go and watch that faster by clicking the I button shown above the screen. So let's continue the process. So, this was the coding we had done in the last part by which the app simply repeats our speech. Now to add extra features, first add an if condition to the speech recognizers block. Then add an else command to the if condition block and make it an if then else block. Now bring all the old blocks we had coded in part 1 video and put them in the space of else condition. Add a contains text piece block in the if statement. Attach a getResult variable beside the text option in the contains text piece block. Now drag a blank text box from the text option and attach it below the getResult variable. Now I want the app to display the cat eating chips animation when I give the command eat chips through it. So I will write eat chips in the blank text box. You can also check the correct spelling including which letters should be capital or small by simply voice searching in Google like this. Okay, so now make a web viewer block like this and copy and paste the link of the eating animation GIF in the text box attached with the web viewer block. Now copy and paste the clock block which contains false logic. I already told the reason why we have added this clock block in the previous video. Now this is done for the eating function, and if we now command anything to the app which contains the words eat chips, then the cat will start eating chips. You can follow the same type of coding and add other functions or activities for the cat to do. For example, we will now add a relaxing function. So we need to first create another space for the relax blocks. For that, click the blue gear sign, drag and add an else if condition under the then condition. Now copy and paste the same blocks from the previous activity blocks section, that is eating chips section, and just change the command text piece to something like relax and change the web URL to the URL of the relaxing cat animation GIF. Remember to write the command in the proper spelling and maintain capital and small letters. In case of such normal words like eating, relaxing, all the letters will be in small letters. Again, we have added another activity for our cat. Now we will add a sing and dance activity. This one is a bit different, so please listen carefully. All the other things are same. Like this, set the command word piece, change the web URL. But as we want the cat to sing, we will need to do a music coding. For that, we have to use a source which can play sound or music, and that source is the player tool situated under the media section in the designer page. Drag and drop the player into the app screen to add it in our app. Now click on source, upload file, upload the music you want the cat to sing. It will take some time to fetch the music file into the app. After the music file is uploaded, go to blocks section. Drag and attach the call player one start function in the then space of dance blocks section we are currently working on. Now we are done with activities. But if we leave the blocks like this, we will face a problem, which is the animations like eating or dancing or relaxing won't stop once they start and will run continuously forever. To stop this problem, we need to make another else if space. Copy the text piece, web viewer and clock blocks. Set the command text to stop. Add the block named call player one stop in the then space, and finally copy and paste the sitting cat GIF, which is our main GIF, in the web home URL text box. Now we are done with the blocks section. Like this, you can add as many as activities for the cat using the same type of blockings. Let's now add some final finishing touches to the app, after which we can export or build our app. 1. Go to the designer section, click on player 1, enable the loop tick mark. This will play the music forever until you say stop. 2. Click on screen 1 and set the app name and app title. I will keep it Ziggy as I have named my app this. Now, this is an important part for you all. Most of you don't want the female voice in your app, rather prefer the male voice more. I almost forgot you to tell about this function, but many thanks and shout out to Ibrahim JW for reminding me to tell you this. Okay, so the process to change the female voice to male voice of the text to speech is click on the text to speech. Keep the pitch to 0.0 and speech rate to 1.0. After entering these values, you will see that the text-to-speech talks to you in the male voice and not in the female voice. So the code for female voice is pitch equals to 1.0, speech rate equals to 1.0, and the code for male voice is pitch equals to 0.0, speech rate equals to 1.0. And yes, we are done. This is the designer and blocks section. Now let's export the app.
Hello. How are you? I am fine. MIT App Inventor. Like, share, subscribe and comment.
Okay, so this is how we make a talking tom like app in MIT App Inventor. Please comment down below if you face any problems. All the links of the cat gifs are given in the description, and if you haven't watched part 1 yet, then check the description for the link. If you find the video helpful, then please like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.